Katrina, talk to us about love and all those who are listening online.
Love is love. The Bible states that God is love. It is shown by its nature, and the action is heard because actions always speak louder than words. Love is patience, like the ones Alex Preddy took care of. Love is kind or good for the soul. Call her Renee Nicole. It is not envy. It does not boast. It is not like most. It is not proud. It is not silent. It is very loud. It does not display violent rage and tactics of unnecessary order. It does not dishonor others like Keith Porter. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongdoings. It points no fingers. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It protects, trusts, hopes, and endures each of you. Love, like God, it never fails. Love moves forward. It writes letters from jail. It marched. It overcame. It sat at lunch counters. It had a dream. It waded in waters. It rode with freedom on buses. It gets in good trouble. It stood up for justice. It signed the Emancipation Proclamation. It took over the board of education. It broke barriers while breaking records.